Here we go again with this. Pasteurized processed sandwich slices. Okay, we're just sitting here at a table. We made a couple of sandwiches. So I want to show you guys this. I'm going to pull a piece of cheese out. I'm going to unwrap it. And now, y'all explain this to me and tell me what are we putting in our digestive system. Let me show you here. I'm going to light a lighter to this cheese, which should start melting and dripping and burning. But as you can see, with the lighter, it's not. It's turning black. It's not dripping. Actually, it's just bubbling like plastic. Like plastic. This is a slice of cheese. Can everyone see this? What are they making for us to put in our system? What are we digesting? That's supposed to be food, edible products. And this stuff is something you probably can use to make furniture. I don't understand it. Can someone please reply to this?